Puffy wakes up with a sleepy smile. Let's all play for a little while. Starry and Minty, bright and new, with so many fun things we can do. Bounce around beneath the sun, having adventures, everyone. Having adventures, everyone. Running through the meadow so green, best friends that you've ever seen. Puffy loves to jump and spin, where the magic days begin.